After you've installed both the drivers and the software included with your 4Track, connect the 4Track to a USB port on your computer and power it on, then launch Tractor. Setting up the software is a breeze. It takes 10 clicks and about 15 seconds to do so. You'll run through the setup wizard, which sets your sound card settings and controller mapping settings automatically, and then you'll go to the preferences window to set the MIDI in and out port for the 4Track effects bar and main 4Track unit. I'll walk you through those steps in detail. The first step is to start the setup wizard. In the top left corner of your screen, select the Help menu. From the Help menu, choose Start Setup Wizard. In the window that opens, all you have to do is click Finish. The software will automatically detect the 4Track, set up your sound card and controller mapping files. The next step is to open the Preferences window. Click the gear icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. In the window that opens, select Controller Manager at the bottom left. Next, we'll select MIDI port settings for the effects bar. Under the Device menu, choose 4Track Effects. On Windows XP, select USB audio device for both the in-port and the out-port. On Macintosh, Windows 7, and Windows Vista, you're going to choose 4Track Effects here. Next, under the Device menu, choose 4Track Main. For both the MIDI in-port and out-port, choose 4Track MIDI. These are all the setup steps you have to do. When you're finished, click Close. Some of the first questions you may have about using the 4Track are how to assign effects to a track and how to use the strip search function. To assign an effect to a track, hold down the Effects Mix button on the effects bar. And while holding this down, turn the 1, 2, or 3 knob to assign effect 1, 2, or 3 in the Tractor software. To turn your assigned effects on or off, click the buttons underneath those knobs. To use the strip search function, first locate the Shift button. It's in the Hotkey section below each platter. Hold this Shift button down and then touch the strip search ribbon. You can slide your finger across the ribbon or touch a specific point on the ribbon to bounce to a different point in your track. The reason you need to hold down the Shift button is to help prevent you from inadvertently stopping playback during performance. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and tips, and be sure to check out www.newmark.com/4track for software or driver updates.